Happy morning, children. Today I am going to explain page number 6, okay, in the maths book, okay, the geometry portion, okay. Now fix the round chart on the white paper by using a pin in the center. Okay, very simple things. If you prepare a round chart on using white paper by using a pin, if you rotate using the pin in the center, by rotating the chart we observe that two vertical lines on the straight and the circular center will be placed on the same point. Okay, look at the changes occurred when the chord is rotated. Okay, if you prepare a chart, okay, round chart, then you are placing some objects on the round chord. If you rotate it, what happen means, if you are rotating, it will not stay in the same place. Okay, the things of the place will be vary from chart to chart. If you rotate, okay, what will happen, there will be changes. Okay, now see here, look at the changes occurred when the chord is rotated. When we are rotating, this is the chord. Okay, when we are rotating, see, this places are peacock is there, then this is brinjal. Okay, this vegetables and birds, the places were changed. Okay, if you are rotating once again, the places are changed. Okay, now turn the round chart as shown in the figure second. The picture in the figure is changed. The picture in the figure is changed as in the picture in 2. Okay, turn the round chart as shown in the figure 2. Okay, figure 2. The picture in the figure 1 is changed as in figure 2. This change is called as rotation. Okay, this change, these things are changed. This change is called as rotation. O is the center. O is the see, they wrote O in the center. Okay, now when we compare the figures 1 and 2, the picture has taken 1/4 turn. When we rotate the chart as in the figure 3, the picture has taken half turn. Okay, this is 1/4 turn, this is half turn. Okay, observe that when we rotate, the shapes are rotated. When we are rotating the chart, the shapes of the charts are rotated. The images are rotated depending on the center point. The images of this chart also rotated. Okay, depending on the center point O. The point is called as center of rotation. The point is called as center of rotation. Okay, when we rotate, the shapes are rotated. When we rotate, the shapes are rotated. The images are rotated depending on the center point. Okay, the point is called as center of rotation. The point is called as center of rotation. Okay, now think, is there any change in the position of wings of the ventilator fan after rotating 1/4 turn and half turn? Okay, now we are going to see the ventilator fan. Okay, this is 1/4 turn, 1/2 turn. Okay, any change in this? Okay, you think, is there any change in the position of the wings of ventilator fan after rotating 1/4 turn and 1/2 turn? Okay, see, think and see. Any changes? Is there any change in the position of the wing ventilator fan after rotating 1/4 fan and half turn? Okay, you should think. Okay, there is, see, you see this point is center. Okay, this point is center. There, this point is center. There is a change. Okay, the shapes may be the same, but the center point is changed. Okay, there is a change in the rotating. Okay, now observe the rotation of the square. Okay, A, B, D, C. Okay, now you rotate 1/4 turn. See, there is change in the corners. Okay, D, A, C, B. Okay, there half rotation. C here, D, B, A. Okay, you can try this, very easy sums. Okay, among the following says, find out one which look the same after 1/4 a turn. Okay, put a tick mark. Okay, you complete this page and submit. Thank you, children.